Hi, everyone. We are here at the Able Assembly, which is at Berklee College of Music in Boston. And the two of us have had just the most wonderful day. We started off at a keynote presentation and followed pretty quickly up with a conversation between the both of us as a part of a presentation for US and UK time discussing inclusion in music education. So it's been a wonderful experience just getting to hear from amazing audience members and, of course, each other. Just having the ability to discuss some of these most important conversations around accessibility and inclusion.
Yeah, it's been a fantastic day. Gillian and I met back in January in Los Angeles at the NAMM show. We were part of the MIDI Association panel. And we thought it was really important to bring us together to talk about our two organisations and the work that we do in the UK and in the US. Both TIME, Technology and Music Education UK, and TIME in the US focus on supporting teachers and young people with their use of music technology and ensuring that that's accessible to everybody. So today we were lucky enough to have a conversation here at part of the Able Assembly, discussing those things and actually inviting the audience to contribute and broaden our understanding of what's happening here in the US and in the UK. And I think that's really important. I think we're able to get a kind of bigger picture, a sort of global picture, but also focusing in on some of those practices that we use in the classroom and with the groups and organisations we work with.
Absolutely. And as a teacher right now, I feel like there's nothing more important than finding ways to contribute technology to our classrooms and making our neurodiverse rooms more accessible and inclusive for all of the music practices that we have, with a focus on technology being an avenue for composition, for performance, for experiential learning. I think a lot of our mission right now is figuring out what are the synthesized frameworks and technology tools that we can prepare educators in the UK and the US to start using and implementing even this year, because we're seeing a lot of students who are kind of falling through the cracks and aren't having the same opportunities as everyone else. And equity is more important now than anything. It's always been important, but especially now that we've kind of brought these organizations together, we can have these conversations and continue to build those bridges to better support our students everywhere.